Hey guys, so today I decided to do a trick video that shows you how to teach cockatiels to do tricks and what the tricks are. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's get on with the video.
So Albert's much younger than Joel, so Albert really can only do step up, but I'll still show you.
So how you teach step up is, if you have a younger bird, you basically every day put your finger to its chest and say step up, put some pressure on it, and eventually they'll step up onto it, and you just keep repeating that over days. And yeah, and as you can see in this footage, Joel is very angry for some unknown reason. Yeah. I had to really quickly run down and get treats because they weren't cooperating.
The next trick that only Joel knows is spin. So this is what spin looks like.
So spin is learnt by putting your pointer finger to the bird's tail and pushing it a little bit so they do like a circle. Not every bird knows to do that full circle, so you just have to like work and teach it. But make sure you're not doing the training session in one whole day, because they are gonna learn training means boring, or training means they'll have to do stuff every hour or something. So
the next trick is shake, and only Joel knows this one. So the shake looks a bit like this.
So how you teach shake is, every once in a while put your pointer finger to the bird's foot, not to its chest but to the foot you want it to do shake with, and you like try and get to put it on your finger and like blow it up and down a tiny bit and say shake, then put it down, give them a treat, and every once in a while do that. Here's just some behind the scenes.
This last trick that Joel knows is half and half of a trick, but I'll show you anyway. So it's called bow, so let's show you.
Joel and Albert are really uncooperative today. So teaching a cockatiel to bow for pats, it's really mostly a natural thing, but they'll normally do it themselves. But if you say bow for pats, it kind of is a trick, I guess. I don't know. You just go like put your fingers in the hand gesture, and so they'll know you want to give them pats, and yeah. So that's it for this video. I'm more than welcome to do any video suggestions that you leave down below if you have any. Otherwise, I'll most likely just be doing some videos that I think I will enjoy making for you guys, and some of my videos will be suggested by some of my friends, and this video was suggested by a friend. See you in my next video. Bye.